Hi everyone, this is Priya Sinha. I welcome to each one of you to my new YouTube channel, that is Null and Alternative. In this channel, I just started a new playlist, that is data science interview questions, which I have faced so far in my career journey of being a data scientist. So for this video, I came up with the question, that is what is p-value? I have seen number of times data scientists even established one got flounder when it comes to explain a p-value. In this question, what is p-value, which is your statistical gatekeeper, let's understand first what is p here. P is a probability number which lies between 0 and 1. Its main works to quantify the strength of evidence against null hypothesis. So now you were curious about that what is null hypothesis. So let's understand it first. You have seen whenever we have to compare two group of population A and population B, you have to perform some kind of a test like z-test, t-test, chi-square test, ANOVA test according to the requirement of the population and the data. So for that, you have to perform a hypothesis testing. In the hypothesis testing, there is a two statement which we need to assume. First, that is null hypothesis, which shows the population of two group is same, and alternative hypothesis, which shows that the population of two group is different. So for that, for comparing two population, you have to calculate the p-value of a population. So for that, just assume you are taking example of a z-test. So in z-test, first you need to calculate the z-value. There is a formula, obviously everyone knows there is a z-test formula which you have to do calculation and then calculate a z-value, and in the z-table you can find it out at the point of some xz value what would be the p-value for that. So you got your p-value from your z-table. Now you have to compare the p-value with some kind of a threshold. So in this, what would be the threshold? So there is a level of significance which we use to in testing, which is used to say alpha. That is a Greek letter, that is alpha. So its value is used to be take 0.05 or sometime 0.01 according to your use cases. So if you got your p-value, you got your level of significance. Let's assume you are taking 0.05. Now you have to compare p to alpha. If the value of p is less than alpha value, that is a 0.05, then you have to reject your null hypothesis and accept the alternative hypothesis here. Yeah, if you are rejecting your null hypothesis, you have to understand that your group of two population is different. So this is the whole agenda I was just explained you. So in this hypothesis testing, you got that these two groups are different, but hypothesis testing only convey you they are different, but how much they are different, this is not work of the hypothesis testing. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Stay tuned up for next interview question, and till then you can subscribe my channel.